Transistor, one of the most important invention in human history, okay? It's a fact. No transistor, no computer, no internet, no iPhones. Multiple transistors connected create logic gates create computer memory, processors, and everything related with that. 3 leg always, okay? Always. Input, signal, output. Electricity is like water, okay? Big water want to flow here. Big water. What happened? Nothing. Transistor broken? No. Transistor closed. Turned off, okay? How to turn on? You have to put small water here, okay? Small water. And now big water and small water flows out of output, okay? This one and this one flows out of here, okay? You remove small water, transistor closed. Nothing flows here, output, okay? Nothing. So transistor is switch, okay? Just a switch. You ask, why use transistor then? Why not switch? Number one reason, transistor super small, okay? In your phone chip, billions of transistors inside, okay? Switch is mechanical, not possible, so small switch, it's not possible. Second reason, transistor can switch millions of times per second, okay? Switch by hand, I can switch like this. How much? 100 per minute? Slow, very slow. Transistor switch on off billion times per second, okay? Last reason, transistor not only switch, also amplifier, okay? Proportional amplifier. This water not random. You can proportionally calculate how much water out, how much signal, how much input, okay? Very useful transistor. Okay. And last thing for more advanced or curious people, transistor main families, transistor, BJT and MOSFET. BJT works on current, MOSFET works on voltage. BJT, another split, NPM, very popular. We explained NPM. To turn it on, you push current to the signal leg. Okay, for PNP, it's opposite. You have to suck current from signal leg to turn it on. MOSFET, it needs voltage. N channel, very popular. You put voltage on signal leg, MOSFET turned on. P channel, opposite, it needs negative voltage to turn on. And to be precise, they have different names of the legs. Input in BJT is collector, in MOSFET input is drain. Signal in BJT is base, in MOSFET is gate. Output in BJT is emitter, in MOSFET is source. And that's it.